Hey, Cancer fam! Welcome back to ABC Zodiac, where we're diving deep into what it really takes for each zodiac sign to reach their money goals. Now, if you're a Cancer, you're probably all about stability, security, and building a foundation you can count on. And you know what? Those are the exact qualities that make you a natural wealth builder. So grab a cup of tea, get cozy, and stick around because we're about to break down how you can turn your unique Cancer traits into financial success. And trust me, you won't want to miss this. All right, let's start with what Cancers do best: planning and patience. Look, Cancer, you're not impulsive when it comes to money. You're the type who likes to do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and build something that'll last. You're probably the person who reads all the fine print on a contract or digs into Yelp reviews before booking a place for a weekend getaway. It might seem tedious to some, but this is actually one of your superpowers when it comes to wealth. Think of yourself like an investor who plants seeds and lets them grow, while everyone else is getting caught up in the latest get-rich-quick schemes. You're carefully nurturing your financial garden. It's like Warren Buffett said, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. And that's you, Cancer, the patient one. Imagine you're in a group of friends and everyone's talking about jumping into the latest cryptocurrency. They're riding high, all excited. But you're calmly sticking to your diversified portfolio, investing in companies with solid foundations, or maybe even a good old-fashioned index fund. And who's sitting pretty when the market goes wild? Yep, that would be you, because you've built your wealth on a solid, well-thought-out plan. So embrace that patience, Cancer. It's your secret weapon. All right, let's talk about the world of finance. You might not think of yourself as a Wall Street type, but your natural skills make you perfect for handling money, whether it's yours or someone else's. Cancers have this intuitive knack for understanding value and recognizing a safe investment when they see one. You're not one to jump into risky waters without testing the temperature first, which is exactly what makes you a natural in areas like banking, stock trading, or even working as a financial advisor. Picture this. You're managing a client's portfolio, and while everyone else is all hyped up over high-risk stocks, you're staying calm, focusing on long-term investments with steady returns. You're the one guiding your clients away from the crypto craze or the latest meme stock and helping them build something sustainable. Imagine the satisfaction of watching those investments grow slowly but surely, all thanks to your careful planning and research. Or maybe you're more interested in becoming a broker. Picture yourself advising families on how to grow their wealth responsibly, whether it's guiding them toward mutual funds, blue chip stocks, or even the right type of retirement plan. You have a natural gift for making people feel secure, which is precisely what clients want when it comes to their money. They trust you, Cancer, because you're not just trying to make a quick buck. You genuinely care about helping them build a financially stable future. And if you're managing your own portfolio, your Cancerian patience and knack for timing make you a natural at stock trading. You know when to hold, when to sell, and you're not easily swayed by the panic that sends others running. Think of yourself as the financial captain of the ship, calm, collected, and steering yourself or your clients safely through the highs and lows of the market. So whether it's banking, brokerage, or stock investments, trust in your ability to make sound financial decisions. You're not just building wealth, you're creating a financial legacy, the kind that offers peace of mind and security for years to come. Now let's talk about real estate. If there's one thing you understand, it's the value of a home. You have this unique ability to see the potential in a space and turn it into something warm, comfortable, and inviting. And that skill, it's worth a lot in the real estate world. Picture this. You buy an older house in a charming neighborhood, the kind with great bones but in need of some love. While others might see the chipped paint and outdated kitchen, you see a canvas, a chance to create something beautiful. You renovate it, add those cozy touches that Cancers are known for, maybe some soft lighting, a comfy reading nook, and suddenly you've turned a fixer-upper into a dream home. Next thing you know, you're renting it out on Airbnb, bringing in that sweet passive income, or maybe you're into the idea of flipping houses. It might seem intense, but with your patience and eye for detail, you could absolutely make it work. Think about Joanna Gaines from Fixer Upper. Okay, she's a Libra, but she's got that nurturing vibe down to a science, just like you. You take a property, put your heart into it, and turn it into a place where people actually want to live. There's something so Cancerian about that, isn't there? Let's talk about your other superpower, saving for the future. Saving money isn't glamorous, but it's one of your best financial skills. While others are splurging on the latest iPhone or booking a spontaneous trip to Bali, you're putting money aside for that rainy day. It's not because you're cheap. It's because you value security. And hey, when life throws a curveball, you're the one who's got the cushion. Imagine you're out with friends and everyone's deciding whether to order that pricey dessert or an extra round of drinks. You're the one thinking, maybe just the drink. Because in the back of your mind, you're already planning your next big purchase, whether that's a down payment on a house, an emergency fund, or maybe even retirement savings. And when the unexpected happens, guess who doesn't need to panic? That's right, you. So keep saving, Cancer. It's time to talk about that creative streak. Maybe you paint or bake or have a knack for interior design. Whatever it is, that talent of yours is more than just a hobby. It's a gold mine waiting to happen. Why not turn it into a side hustle? Imagine this. You set up an Etsy shop for your handmade candles, or maybe you start offering weekend photography sessions. Picture your photos capturing those warm, emotional moments that only a Cancer could see. A mom's laugh, a couple's quiet glance. Or perhaps you're a master chef at home and could offer cooking classes. Think about the income you could bring in just by doing what you already love to do. And here's the thing. People pay good money for authenticity. You bring that naturally. Imagine hosting a cozy cooking class right from your kitchen, where people come not just for the food, but for the experience of being around someone who genuinely cares. You're not just making money. You're sharing a piece of yourself with others. And that's priceless. Here's something you might love too. Side hustles. You don't have to give up the stability of a regular job to explore other interests. Imagine working your 9 to 5 and starting a little business on the side. It could be anything, selling homemade jams, offering pet sitting services, even teaching online courses about gardening. Imagine this. You spend your weekdays at a steady job, but on weekends, you're known around the neighborhood as the jam person, selling out of your homemade preserves at the local farmer's market. Or maybe you're running a small home organizing business. You could offer services to neighbors who need help bringing order to their chaotic homes. Who better than a Cancer to make a space feel nurturing and organized? This way, you've got the security of your main gig and the thrill of a side hustle. Plus, it gives you a creative outlet and some extra cash flow, all without putting too much at risk. And who knows? One day, that side hustle might even grow into something bigger. Cancers, you've got this superpower when it comes to connecting with people. You're warm, intuitive, and genuinely interested in others. People pick up on that, and it makes them want to work with you. In the world of networking, that's priceless. Imagine you're at a business conference. While others are pushing business cards and talking over each other, you're the one who's really listening. You ask questions, you remember details, and guess what? People notice. You leave the conference with not just contacts, but actual relationships. So go ahead, attend that local networking event, join a community group, or volunteer for a cause you care about. It's not about schmoozing. It's about building real connections. And who knows? That genuine connection you made over a shared love of cooking might just turn into your next big business partnership or investment opportunity. You're always taking care of everyone else, but what about you, my dear Cancer? Investing in your own well-being is more than just self-indulgence. It's actually a smart financial move. When you're in a good place emotionally, you make better decisions and have more energy for all the things you want to accomplish. Think about it like this. Taking a spa day, going to therapy, or even just scheduling regular me time isn't a luxury. It's a necessity. Imagine you're running on empty and then trying to make major financial decisions. Sound fun? Didn't think so. But when you're well rested, emotionally balanced, and feeling good, you're able to tackle life's challenges head on. So, book that yoga retreat, splurge on that organic food, or invest in a new mattress if it helps you recharge. Your future self, both financially and emotionally, will thank you for it. Here's a pro tip. You don't have to do it all alone. When it comes to building wealth, finding the right partner can make all the difference. And lucky for you, your intuition about people is spot on. Picture yourself teaming up with a friend who's great with numbers while you handle the creative side of things. Maybe you're both investing in a small business or starting a blog together. While they're keeping track of expenses, you're out there building the brand. Together, you're a dream team, covering all the bases. Or think about a more casual partnership, like finding a mentor, someone who's been through it all and can offer you guidance. Trust that gut feeling of yours, Cancer. If you sense someone is trustworthy and shares your values, don't hesitate to join forces. After all, two heads are better than one, especially when they're both working toward the same goals. All right, Cancer, there you have it. Your guide to building the kind of wealth that'll keep you cozy, comfortable, and confident. With your natural planning skills, patience, and heart-centered approach, there's no limit to what you can achieve. So take these tips, put them to work, and start building that dream life you've always wanted. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cosmic insights right here on ABC Zodiac. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.